In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram story to your Facebook profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the main thing that you have to do is to connect your Instagram profile to your Facebook profile. So you have to have both of these apps installed on your iPhone to do that. And first open up your Instagram app, then tap Add Profile Picture. Next, hit on menu icon, then tap on Settings, Account, and here you have to find Sharing to Other Apps. There, I got Facebook here, because my Facebook and my Instagram account are already connected. I can tap right here, and here is my account. And there at automatically share box, I can adjust which types of content will be synced with my Facebook and Instagram account. I can enable automatically share for Instagram story, for Instagram posts, and also for Instagram Reels. I can tap at Setup just next to your Instagram Reels. And there just tap on Allow to allow sharing my Reels between Facebook and Instagram. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.